Yeah.
So this is your water supply.
That's water.
Yeah.
And gray water, it just goes straight out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So can you just open that one there? No, this one here. Yeah. See, I've thought about getting like the pull-out drawers in the back and whatnot, but yeah, no, that's impressive. So this is your fridge.
Yep.
Is this a DC or a AC?
I believe AC, like it's.
Yeah, the regular plug.
It's one on the inverter.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
Yeah.
I have my inverter down there.
Oh, look at that.
This is the famous Prius kitchen.
Yes.
Wow, it's awesome.
Oh, there.
Better upside down because this is the one with the screens on the bottom, right?
Yeah.
So
And that's gonna fit. Oh, look at.
there you go.
Yeah.
And then here, when you're like in need some, like air ventilation, just lift it up here,
Wow,
and then you can just do that.
that is nice.
Yeah.
So and then
Yeah, that is
Especially you
nice.
being back east, you're gonna love it.
Yeah.
You being back east, you're gonna.
Too close to people? So turn your head. Well, we just had a great night out at Cowichan Lake last night. Not bad. Rustic campsite for $20 for the night. And it was just so peaceful, and I like it when I can point my vehicle towards the water and just leave the front cover open so I can, if I'm in the van, I can see out at the lake and whatnot.